In this video, we'll explore how to create separate workspaces in ChequeSystem to manage check records, reports, and settings for different companies. ChequeSystem stores all your check records and other data within a single folder known as a workspace. This feature enables you to set up distinct workspaces for each of your companies. To get started, go to the File menu and select Switch Workspace. This will bring up a pop-up window displaying all available workspaces. When you first install ChequeSystem, it will create a workspace called Default for you. To create a new workspace, click the green Add button. In the pop-up dialog, enter a descriptive name for the new workspace, such as the name of your company. You'll then need to provide an empty folder where the data for this workspace will be stored. Click the Browse button to select the appropriate empty folder. You can choose to start with a clean workspace or select the copy option to duplicate data and settings from another existing workspace. Once you've made your selections, click the Save button to create the new workspace. To switch between workspaces, simply select the desired one from the list and click the Switch Workspace button at the bottom. This will close the current workspace and open the selected one. You can verify the active workspace by checking the workspace name in the title bar. By using separate workspaces, you can now manage check records, reports, and settings for each of your companies independently, ensuring efficient and organized check management. Thank you for watching this tutorial.